Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change email address in LastZ Survival Shooter. Alright, let's begin. To change your email, start by going to your account settings. Tap on the switch option next to your current email. Keep in mind, you can only change your email every 90 days. After selecting change, you will receive a verification code on your existing email. Enter the code to proceed. Next, input the new email you want to bind to your account. This will link the new email to the selected character. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to update each account's email individually. Always bind your new email before switching accounts, otherwise you risk losing access. Once confirmed, your email will be successfully updated and the cooldown period begins. So that's basically how you can change email address in LastZ Survival Shooter. That's it for this video. Thanks.